Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Fire Emblem Heroes error code 8030003. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error occurs either when users are trying to download the game. Even some players have reported to have this error while accessing the game to play. According to our research, this error may happen if there is insufficient storage space or if there is a corrupted SD card. It may also occur due to cache issues or if the game is not updated. Now let's come to the fixes for the error. If you are having this error while installing the game, then check for insufficient space. And if you are downloading the game over SD card, then check if your SD card is corrupted. In case the error is coming while playing the game, then try restarting your device, or clearing the cache data, or updating the game through the App Store. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.